In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit meeting recurrence in Microsoft Teams. Now to do this, first you want to go to your calendar over here on the left, and when you click on it, of course, you'll be able to find your meeting. If you don't have a meeting yet, you can just click on New Meeting, top right, and create a new one. So if you have one already and you want to edit the meeting recurrence, you simply want to click on the meeting and then click on the Edit button. From here, you can see it's going to load in, and then from here, there's this button which says by default, does not repeat. If you want to edit your meeting recurrence, simply click on that drop down, and you want to select when you want it to repeat, so you could do daily, weekly, monthly, whatever. I'm going to do daily over here, and as you can see, it's going to allow you to set your recurrence. So the start is going to be on the 24th of July 2026, and I want to repeat every one day. You could also do a different amount of days, weeks, months, or years, and you could also select the end date as well. I'm just going to go and basically click here and select the, of course, 31st of July over here. So it's going to occur every day starting the 24th until 31st. That's fine with me. I'm going to click on the save button, and you want to click on the send update button top right. And that's really all you have to do to edit your meeting recurrence in Microsoft Teams. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.